So, let's see. Vinegar and hot water. Wow, impressive. Change the color a little bit. Oh, yeah. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna give a little rub and see what it looks like. So, still a little bit mucky, but that really worked out. Well, vinegar and hot water. I'm gonna go to the boat, check it out, and see. Obviously the top was painted before, but happy days.